Okay, there's the little knob. We got to get that guy out of there. So, see if we can figure this out. How's that? Move it. No. Okay. So, first thing we got to do is loosen the knob up. To do that, I'm going to need a little wrench right on that nut right there. See if we can use the pliers. Get in there with the pliers. Unscrew the nut and drop it down the back. Where did it go? There it is. That just unscrews. That's still recording. Next thing to do is I gotta take this little nut off right here. That nut comes off. Set them down. Off comes the lower knob. And this right here, we gotta get a big wrench on that probably. Let's see, can we use pliers? Yeah, we can use pliers. Oh, there goes the pliers. We just undo this nut right here. That comes out, one nut. And out comes a washer. Okay, so now we got the cable out, sitting right here. There's this little washer on the end, and there's this nut. I'm going to try not to move the nut so I know exactly where it goes back in. And the cable just comes right out, just slides right out and up. So you just get it up vertical like this, and then we're going to try getting some WD-40 down the end. Okay, now right at the end there's this little washer fits in here. Don't lose it. It's made out of plastic, and it kind of acts as a compression when you want to clamp the cable down, I think. So we're going to put this aside. Okay, the next thing to do is there's this little cotter pin thing at the end. So we're just going to pop that out, pry it up and pop it out. Okay, here's the end fitting. And that's now off. It just slides in, and the cotter pin goes in this little notch right here. Okay, now what I've done is I've taken a rubber glove and slipped it over the end, tie wrapped it down real tight. Now hopefully this will seal it so that I can spray the WD-40 in the end, and it'll end up down the cable and not necessarily all over the outside. Okay, so we're going to let that hang there for a little bit and see if we can get it to free itself up. Find out in an hour or two when the WD-40's had a chance to do its work.